crispier in the oven the best way.
Where you get this from?
Wise's, Save-A-Lot.
You got this from Wise Market?
No, I got from Save-A-Lot.
Save a lot. Hey guys, check it out. Pizza in the air fryer. Never even thought about that. That's before. Can you put toppings on it too?
You probably can.
So that's the before right here. Got some in the air fryer. How many minutes you put it for?
4.
4 minutes in the air fryer. Nardoni Brothers or Nardone. That's Italian. Mamma mia, Nardone. 12 cuts. Yeah, like that. The only pizza my kid will eat. It's like school pizza, she says. Alright. See you in a few seconds. That's not even 4 minutes. 3 minutes. And it's done, guys. Put some light on this if I can. My phone's about to die. Bam. Wow. Look at that. How about that, boys and girls? Can I take a piece? Piece in the air fryer. Let me taste this.
It's gonna be
All right. Here's what it is.
hot. School pizza.
School pizza, yeah. Wow, taking me way back. Yeah, we used to have school pizza many years ago. See, this was Big Brian eating. Fish dinner, guys. Look at that. Bam! Hat up. Yes, sir.
That's your drink.
Oh, yeah. Coleslaw. Peace out. Have a good day.